Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to check your region's bank pending deposits. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been waiting for a deposit to hit your bank account and been impatient to see it? I know I have. And it can be frustrating to not know when your money is going to be available. That's why I'm here to help. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your region's bank pending deposits so that you can know exactly when your money is going to be available. What are pending deposits? Before we get into the steps on how to check your region's bank pending deposits, let's first understand what pending deposits are. Pending deposits are deposits that have been made to your bank account but have not yet been processed. This means that the money is not yet available to you to use. There are a few reasons why a deposit might be pending. One reason is that the bank may need to verify the source of the funds. Another reason is that the bank may need to process the deposit manually. How to check your region's bank pending deposits. Now that we know what pending deposits are, let's get into the steps on how to check your region's bank pending deposits. Log into your region's bank online banking account. Click on the Transactions tab. Select Pending Deposits from the drop-down menu. You will now see a list of all of your pending deposits. Each pending deposit will show the date and time that it was made, the amount of the deposit, and the status of the deposit. Once the deposit is processed, the status will change to completed. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for checking your region's bank pending deposits. You can also check your pending deposits by using the Regions Bank mobile app. If you have any questions about a pending deposit, you can contact Regions Bank customer service. Checking your Regions Bank pending deposits is a simple process that can help you stay on top of your finances. By knowing when your money is going to be available, you can plan your spending accordingly. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful banking tips. Thanks for watching. In addition to the steps I outlined in the video, here are a few other things you can do to check your region's bank pending deposits. Use the Regions Bank mobile app. The Regions Bank mobile app allows you to view your pending deposits on your smartphone or tablet. Contact Regions Bank customer service. If you have any questions about a pending deposit, you can contact Regions Bank customer service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.